Hi all, in this video I will show you how to import Excel data into the Dataverse. Okay, so for that let's create one new table here. So name it as employee info. Okay, so now display name, everything will come like this, and let's create it. And in this table you need to add columns now. Okay, let's create columns. Add column. So emp first name, or you can give just first name, last name, like that. First name, let it be text field, and if you see anything new, okay, first name is there, employee info, and last name, and give a salary, skills, skill, okay, make it text, and one more thing, designation, okay, let it be text, and add column and salary. So let it be a number, whole number here. Okay, done. Okay, now we already created the columns, right? So now let's save the table. So meanwhile let's go to Excel sheet, which we have created recently. Here employee data is there, so everything is fine here. It is having some data, first name, last name, skill, designation, salary per year. Okay, now let's take this whole thing and make it a number. Okay, so salary per year is a number now. Okay, and also here you can have more number formats also. You can have here number, and all these are data types. Okay, decimal places, I don't want any decimal places here. Okay, yeah, now let's see how we can import this. Let's save this Excel, and here if you see in the Dataverse, if you come to data here, on the top you can see get data, right? Here get data from Excel is there, just click it, and now it will ask us to locate the Excel sheet in the desktop or in any C drive or D drive. Let's wait for some time. So file not uploaded. Okay, just like upload now. So in the desktop, go to emp data Excel, close it before. So now the mapping status, it's happening here. If the mapping status is successful, it gives a green mark, or else we will get a red mark here. So let's see whether how it will mapping. So now you can see mapping error exists. Okay, now let's map the columns. Click the map columns and the designation employee info columns, source values. So designation here, let's check, and designation, these source are coming from the Excel sheet. Okay, just mapping designation, employee info, it's not necessary. First name, first name, last name, last name. So name not set, required something, but none for now. So I will make it optional later, so then no problem. So salary here, salary per year, you can keep like this, and you can save changes. So here it's asking name required column is not set. For now we can set here first name for this so that no problem will come. So save changes. Now mapping warnings exist. Okay, now it's okay. You can go to tables here and go to the our employee info. Here in the employee info, go to the name. Here it is a primary name column. Okay, so here it is always required. We can make it as optional here. Done. Okay, save table. And the Excel data has 3 rows, right? So if you go to data here, refresh it, and nothing is coming here. Let's add one more time here, get data from Excel, and file not uploaded. Upload here one more time, emp data uploading. The top here there is an import button here. Okay, now like map columns, mapper could not be displayed for employee info, HP some enter retrieving the now it came here. Okay, there are following required employee info fields have not been mapped, not set. Here we can set first name, and also here first name we can set, last name we can set last name, salary we can set salary per year, skill we can set skill, designation we can set designation. Okay, now let's save changes. Mapping was successful. Okay, now click import. Now we are importing our data. When once you import the data, you can see the 3 rows here. See here it is mentioning like updates are 3. It means you will get 3 rows here. Okay, let's go to employee info and go to data here. Now you can see John Rama Swarna. Okay, but you cannot see other columns. So for that, click views here. Okay, and now you can see the present we are seeing is a public view. Okay, click it and you can see only these things. Okay, if you click here view column and if you view select here, actually we have name, right? We can write here last name, and we can bring this side if you want here. Okay, and created on is not necessary, remove it, and view column you can add skills here, and you can add here salary, and you can add here designation. Okay, so once if you see all the data here, now you can save it and publish it. So now it's published. So let's go here and table columns, everything is there. Now let's go to Power Apps home here once again and go to the data here, go to tables and click employee info here, and now go to data, and now you can see all the columns which are required. Before we can see only name and created on, right? Now you can see all this data. This is how we can import Excel sheet data to Dataverse. Okay, thank you.